So without wasting much time, if you want to block all ads on your device, just go ahead to your Chrome application here, and what you have to do is to search here for AdGuard install iOS. I'm going to click on here on enter and click on the first website you find here. Click on the first website you find here. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to scroll down to this part. So if I go to my option, so I'm going to try to expand my option, so then go ahead to click on the iOS part. I'm just going to scroll down to download configuration profile. I'm going to click on download configuration profile, and I'm going to say available. I'm clicking on continue, and I'm going to say this is going to download this. I'm just going to allow, so you can see this profile downloaded. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on close. I'm going to throw this away and go ahead to open my settings on my iOS. So click here on shut down to your settings. Just scroll. You can see the profile downloaded is shown there, or just scroll down straight to your general. So I'm going to click here on general. Next I'm going to do is to scroll down to locate my VPN and device management, so you can find the downloaded profile. Add DNS. I'm going to click on AdGuard DNS. I'm going to try to install this, so click on install here. I'm going to enter your passcode. So let me just enter my passcode here. I'm going to say that you are going to click here again on install, so install here. So I'm going to click, once it's installed, I'm going to click on my tick sign there, and next thing for me to do is to switch up. So go back and try to locate the VPN. Then what you have to do here is to click here on DNS and make sure it is here on your AdGuard.dns. Automatic means it's going to display video. So if you want it to display video, you can come at any time here to make it display video. But for here, put it on AdGuard DNS and it's going to block all ads on your iOS device. So if you found this video very useful, share this video and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.